Are you tired of working endless hours to generate content that only lasts a few minutes on screen? I get it. Well, ever since ChatGPT was launched in 2022, we've been witnessing the highest software adoption in the history of mankind. And guess what? To win as a content creator today, you must put out huge amounts of content while keeping the quality high. You simply must adapt to the latest AI tools or you'll be left behind. And luckily, we've got you covered. We've got 6 AI tools for you that will 10 times your productivity guaranteed. So buckle up as we're about to dive in. Now, first up, we have Munch, an all-in-one platform that takes your long-form videos and extracts the most engaging and impactful clip. Here's how it works. Munch's AI-driven editing focuses on the key elements of each video, trimming the fat and highlighting the juicy parts that your audience will love. It even has auto-caption generation, ensuring your content is accessible to everyone. Remember the days when you had to spend hours, maybe even days, manually scanning through long-form videos to find those golden snippets? A single video could mean a prolonged battle with the clock. But with Munch, you have an AI-powered companion that can condense those hours into minutes. The tedious process of poring over footage has now turned into a swift task of reviewing and approving clips selected by your new AI assistant. It's like going from searching for a needle in a haystack to having that needle handed to you on a silver platter. The major advantage of Munch is its ease of use. It's super beginner friendly and it comes with a whole suite of features such as aspect ratio smart cropping and intuitive video editing tools. More importantly, it helps you ride trends. Munch analyzes your clip's content alongside social and marketing trends from the leading platform, offering you clips with the highest potential to trend on social media. Munch is available for $49 per month, a fantastic price considering the number of hours it will save you. And remember, time is money, and Munch is here to save you both. Our second tool, Video.ai, is just like Munch, specifically designed for content repurposing. From podcasts to webinars and videos, Video.ai uses artificial intelligence to automatically identify and edit the most engaging moments from your content. The process is simple and user-friendly. You import your video or use a YouTube link, set your preference for platforms, formats, and templates, and voila, you have customized short videos ready in minutes. With Video.ai, you can change colors, fonts, subtitles, and more to suit your branding. Video.ai offers a free version that provides up to 75 minutes of video upload per month. Or if you need more, they have a plan for just $29 per month. That's a small price to pay for the convenience and high quality output that Video.ai offers. Next up, we have Adobe Photoshop AI Beta. Now, Adobe has always been a leader in creative software, but they've really knocked it out of the park with this one. Adobe Photoshop AI Beta uses a powerful generative AI technology called Adobe Firefly that's now natively integrated into Photoshop. With this AI, you can transform your images using simple text prompts, add, extend, or remove content from images, and even create them from scratch. Now, if you want to cut out unwanted elements with ease, Adobe Photoshop AI Beta has got you covered. The best part, it's suitable for beginners and advanced users alike. Remember those days of trial and error while trying to manipulate images? The frustration when the final output didn't align with your vision? With Adobe Photoshop AI Beta, those days are in the past. It's like moving from a world of hand-drawn sketches to high-resolution digital art. With simple text prompts, you can add, extend, and remove content from images or even create them from scratch. Now, this isn't just an upgrade, it's a transformation of how you create and edit images. Photoshop AI Beta is available starting at $22 per month. If you're a creative professional, this tool is a must-have. Now, our fourth tool is Adobe Podcast Enhance. This AI tool is not only useful for podcast creators, but it can also be used to improve the audio from your videos, resulting in sound quality similar to a professional studio recording with top-notch equipment. Adobe Podcast Enhance uses advanced digital signal processing algorithms to eliminate background noise and enhance voice frequency. Currently, it's available for free, so jump on this opportunity and start producing professional grade audio today. This AI tool improves your voice recordings, making them sound professional and captivating, like you've always had a top-notch audio engineer on your team. Listen to this mind-blowing before and after example. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the content on our channel. This is just a test recording to show you the power of the Adobe Podcast Enhancer. Drop a comment if you think it's amazing. Hey, I hope you enjoyed the content on our channel. This is just a test recording to show you the power of the Adobe Podcast Enhancer. Drop a comment if you think it's amazing. Next, we have Cabarr, made for artists by artists. Cabarr is an AI creative lab on a mission to unlock creativity through powerful and intuitive generative tools. Cabarr.ai allows you to transform your videos with a few clicks and design your narratives with ease. Moreover, Cabarr features a unique audio reactivity system, enabling you to sync your visuals with the beat and rhythm of your audio. Now, this tool offers you the flexibility to create your masterpiece without the steep learning curve that comes with conventional software. You can start with a free account or opt for a subscription starting at just $5 per month for 300 credits. When you start using Cabarr, you've essentially swapped paintbrushes for a magic wand. This AI tool allows you to animate and transform your videos with a few clicks, making it feel like you have a team of professional animators at your disposal. Now, last but not least, we have Notion.ai. In the words of James Clear, author of the book Atomic Habits, you do not rise to the level of your goals, you fall to the level of your systems. Notion.ai is the embodiment of this quote. An AI tool that elevates your systems to your ambitions. This revolutionary tool doesn't just manage your work, it redefines how you approach organization altogether, breaking free from conventional constraints. Also, the powerful AI assistant helps you with all your writing needs. Whether you need help writing summaries, translating languages, or adjusting the tone of your writing, Notion.ai has got you covered. Imagine having a dedicated partner that understands your writing style and assists you in putting out more refined content faster. That's exactly what Notion.ai does. It even offers you a customized feedback loop that gets better with each interaction. Notion.ai is available for $10 per month, a bargain for an AI assistant that helps you to stay organized, brainstorm, edit, and write better content. And there you have it, creators. 6 AI tools that will help you elevate your content, save time, and increase your productivity. In the world of digital content creation, we have to leverage every tool at our disposal to stay ahead of the curve. So why not start today? Try these tools and let us know how they worked for you in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share our video if you found it helpful. Also, make sure to follow us on our other social media channels where we regularly share more tips and tricks for content creators. See you in the next video.